QI Wireless Solar Power Bank by Blever. Package contents: wireless power bank, user manual, compass kit, and cable. Type-C and micro USB input, USB and wireless output. How to use: connecting your devices to the USB port with included cable. Place your phone on the key area. Press down the power button. The green charging indicator flashes, and the charger will automatically charge your phone. Blever Solar Wireless Power Bank is equipped with dual flashlights. Long press the power button to turn on or turn off the flashlight. IPX4, splash-proof, shock-proof, dust-proof, sturdy, durable, portable. Always ready to go. Blever Power Bank is a great company for traveling, climbing, riding, business trip, holiday vacation, an awesome gift idea for families or friends. Wireless charger, solar charger, power bank, dual flashlights, compass kit ring, 1 for 5 purposes. Blever Power Bank has passed UL 2056 tests and gained Total Quality Assurance Certificate. Blever.